now it's recording. Okay. Can you see how big it is? I've never seen so much snow in my whole life.
You're from Minnesota. What are you talking about?
Look at how high it is. It's too many. Oh, you can't turn it that way.
Oh.
Then the video's gonna show up sideways.
Okay.
We've never had 2 feet snowdrifts before.
Not in Minnesota?
What?
I find that hard to believe in Minnesota.
Not in like one day. This is like accumulate over a whole winter. I ain't gonna do that.
I'll give you $1 to jump in it.
Really?
I don't have $1, but I'll give you.
Okay, ready?
No.
Yeah, film it. Ready?
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Can you get up?
It's so cool. I can't get up.
No! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, come inside now.
Look at this, this is awesome. Okay, go over there, like take a picture of over there.
Oh, I don't have any shoes on. Oh Lord, I'm still recording, I don't know how to stop.
Just jumped.
I don't know how to stop recording.
Okay.